Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today we got a money bag alert. We're going to be talking about Honk, all right? This is a meme coin that's trying to take out, basically Bonk. So we're going to do deep dive on their website, see what they're all about. I'll have all these links down below for you guys as well. Also right there will be a link for the Money Bags Mansion where I'll be hosting AMAs. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys stay tapped in with the bell notification being lit. And at the end of the video, we're going to do some price predictions, some technical analysis. Honk has pulled back. A lot of people were talking about it when it was at those, it was peaking out. Now we're talking about it as a money bag alert because now it's starting to look like it's starting to get some traction again. It's found a support. This is usually where you want to get in. Of course, not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, your own research. But let's get this one started. So, excuse me. We got mess with the Honk and you get Bonk. So remember the Honk meme, the audacious goose that originated from the viral video game entitled Goose Game and ultimately became an internet sensation. This iconic goose, known for its desire to be a boss, became one of the most iconic memes on the internet. Yet this legend had not had its perfect meme coin tribute until this very moment. And that is true, right? Almost everything gets that moment in the crypto space that we get to have that meme tribute. And I've been saying it for a while on the channel. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys feel the same. It's time that we accept that the meme coins are the altcoins of the altcoins, right? We have Bitcoins, we have Bitcoin, and then you have your alts, but meme coins are the altcoins of the altcoins. Okay, so I believe that they have a place in the cryptocurrency market, and I think that they hold some value, and they will continue to hold some value even if there is no utility. The utility will always be the community, because even if you had a utility but you don't have a community to use it, what's the point, right? So then you always go right before, what was it, the chicken or was it the egg? So that's the kind of situation you always find yourself in. So right now we got an all-time high at $24 million market cap. And the current market cap is at 7 million, but it has pulled back a little bit more. It's almost at $7 million market cap, 6.8 or whatnot like that. But we're trying to flip Bonk, and we're 1.1% away from doing something like that. You guys can check out the thumbnail. It's pretty epic right here. This is how memes are created. This is how this things work. And if you're new to the crypto space, because there's going to be more and more people joining this that are like, what's going on? Get in where you fit in. Of course, not financial advice, but make sure you pay attention to all the other success stories and understand that we're early when it comes to Honk and anything can happen right now, right? So make sure you pay attention to this one. Love that he's wearing the mechanic gloves. I think that's hilarious. But let's go ahead and scroll down. Let's read a little bit more. So Honk the Bonk killer. The Honk Bonk rivalry is one of the most iconic rivalries in internet meme culture. Some call it the Titan of memes. We have not seen a better meme coin rivalry since Dogecoin and Shiba Inu days. Honk is widely known as the Bonk killer, the cocky goose that regularly kicks Bonk's. You know what? If you think what Bonk did was impressive, just wait till Honk steals its bat. Just wait till Honk steals its bat and becomes the top meme coin on the Solana blockchain, leaving Bonk totally powerless. There's going to be people that are going to be moving around their funds, right? A lot of people made money off of Bonk already, but I believe that Honk has an opportunity. Solana is getting more and more bullish. We see more and more people building on Solana. We have the Solana cell phone to talk about, the saga, and there's going to be a lot more retail investors coming into potentially Honk for sure, but the Solana blockchain altogether. And if we remember when we're talking about Shiba Inu and we're talking about Dogecoin, what helped Shiba Inu, what helped Dogecoin was the Robinhood app. The Robinhood app helped a lot of normies, the 95%, onboard themselves onto Shiba Inu, onto Dogecoin. And I believe the Saga cell phone is going to help in that same way. So make sure that you guys read in between the lines. You got to start positioning your bags and your pieces in the right places right now, because this is the opportunity before something like that takes off. To think that something like that Robinhood situation with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin is not going to happen again is naive. It will happen again. And I think Solana has lined itself up, and some of the meme coins that are on the Solana blockchain that associate them with that Saga cell phone, right, and that airdrop, just like it happened with Bonk, I think will expose themselves to a lot more retail investors, people who didn't even know about crypto just because they might have just liked the cell phone, right? So that's how a lot of these things are going to go. Got partnerships with Gotbit, which is something that I've been seeing a lot when it comes to projects on Solana. So that's a good sign right there. We got Jupiter, L Bank, of course, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, you guys know the rest. Yahoo Finance, some articles have been posted. So we've seen some marketing has been being pushed. If you guys are bullish on Honk, make sure you guys get this video to 100 likes. Push this video hard. I'm going to make an X post after this video. Make sure you guys push on that as hard as you can together, because it takes a village. So we got the anatomy of the goose. So let's go into this part right here. We got Honk, Solana, blockchain. We've seen memes. We've seen memes, but never has the world seen a goose meme rule the meme coin space until the arrival of Honk. There has been a perfect meme coin tribute to this sassy goose, arguably one of the most memeable characters in existence until now. Honk has a zero tax token, the liquidity is burnt, and the contract is renounced, fully decentralized. If there is one meme coin fitting to be a supreme meme coin ruler of the soul chain, then it should be Honk, the one and only Bonk slayer. Honk, if you want to remain. So I like this one. It has a lot of potential for sure, because it has that, Bonk killer and that whole narrative right there. Like I said, Solana's very bullish right now. It is a zero tax token. When we look on CoinMarketCap and we scroll down, we see that it has been listed on some exchanges, but some of the really big ones have yet to list this one. So it has some really big potential. Obviously, some of the other ones on Solana are already listed on Gate, or, like Maxi and things like that. Some even on Gate.io. So some of those things you got to kind of think about, maybe as the fuel ran out. So maybe get into something, of course, not financial advice, but get into something that has a little bit more range due to the fact that they have not checked these things off the board yet. So just something to keep in mind when talking about Honk. You guys want to give them a follow, make sure you give them a follow at Honk_SOL. So on Solana, make sure if you guys are bullish on Honk, you guys come over here, just like on this video, you guys like and retweet. Every like, retweet, every like on this video is very important for your bags. If you believe in Honk, let's get this video to over 100 likes. That'll make the YouTube algorithm push this out to other Solana potential investors, or other Solana investors that are maybe looking for a new meme coin to invest in. So keep that in mind. It takes a whole village to make this work. So make sure you guys stay engaged on the X page. Moving over to the price predictions and technical analysis part now of the video. Let's get this part started right here. Let's go ahead and just set up some support and resistance. And obviously we had the all-time highs we talked about on the website. They have it up there. All-time high was $24 million market cap, and obviously it's pulled back. We're sitting at a $6.3 million market cap, but now you have that range to know that it has the potential to do something like that, right? We see that it's found some support right over here. Let's go ahead and this is the range that we're in right now. This is on the hourly chart, and we'll get the all-time high marked up, and we'll worry about those ranges in a bit. We'll start off right here. So right now we're in the range of 0037 all the way up to going back to erase to zero. So that psychological barrier, we can see that we're holding right above the 5. So it's 0064 right now, which is right above that halfway point. If we can break past, again, erasing to 0, it's obviously going to get very bullish. If we break underneath the 5 zone, that's an area that we want to be careful with. And I'm always going to be transparent with everybody on the channel, because then we can probably see a breakdown lower, which is no big deal. But this is the range that we're in right now. And the range that we're in this 009 all the way down to 0037. This is the range that we're trading in. If we could break above this, keep a support right here, and then break above this. So, holding the support right there that we have right there, we can see that this is a resistance that we're having, where we tapped here once, we tapped here again, and then after consolidating, price consolidation, breaking above this resistance, making a support above this and pumping back up, this could be bullish for us as far as, investors or people who are trading to want to jump into Honk, because it'll show people that now this is the new support level. So that's what the trading is going to look like on Honk right now. We got $2.1 million in trading volume. So, this one's doing relatively well. It's barely been launched January 12th. So for a project that's just been launched this month, is doing relatively well. $6.4 million market cap. This is the pullback, right? When the markets are greedy, be fearful. When the markets are fearful, be greedy. Right now, while people are being shooken out, if you believe in something like this and you think it has the potential to grow, this is where you become greedy because everybody's scared. Everybody has been shooken out of their position. So this is where you start to potentially, if you are looking for this, align yourself to start maybe DCA or look for a position in this area of the price where you can accumulate for a cheaper price to go ahead and ride back up to go attack those all-time highs. There's people who buy the highs and sell the lows, and there are some like on this channel that buy the lows and sell the highs. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave some comments down below. Make sure the bell notification is lit and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.